Welcome back to another video. I have been skateboarding for 13 years, and today I will be teaching you guys how to pop shove-it, frontside pop shove-it. The frontside pop shove-it is achieved by combining an ollie and a quick forward scoop motion of the back foot to make the board spin 180 degrees, all while remaining neutral in the air. As the legend goes, the frontside pop shove-it was invented by Steve Rocco in the late 1970s. According to this likely to be true legend, the ever pop shove-its.
So, you click this video because obviously you want to learn how to do front shoves. Well, it's honestly very easy. All you need is one step. The only step you need to do is subscribe. Okay, no, seriously, let's get into it.
Was invented by Steve Rocco in the late 1970s. According to this likely to be true legend, the first ever pop shove-its were actually done frontside, with backside pop shove-its starting to be landed a while later. Before attempting to learn this trick, I recommend that you have frontside 180s, ollies, backside 180s, and pop shove-its before moving on to this trick, just because this trick does require a little bit of board control. Once you are fairly consistent with the tricks, then I think you'll get it no problem. So we'll be going over the foot position, practice steps, back foot pop, front foot catch, and the landing. For the foot position, for the frontside pop shove-it, place your front foot just below the front bolts of your board. Position your front foot fairly straight at a slight angle. It is okay to have a slight angle if it helps you, but for the most part, your front foot should be straight on the board and just below the front bolts. The placement of the back foot is more important for the frontside pop shove-it. Place your back foot on the tail, the tip of the near the tip of the board. Your back foot should be in the middle of the tail and slightly angled, but then bring it back a bit, so the ball of your foot is more on the heel side of the tail rather than the toe side. For the first practice step, you won't be standing on the board. Stand with your board in front of you and simply place your back foot on the tail in the proper frontside pop shove-it back foot position. With your back foot in the proper position and your front foot standing on solid ground, practice popping straight down. Give the board a slight nudge forward as you pop it down with your back foot. When properly done, this will cause the board to turn 180 degrees, as it would for the frontside pop shove-it. You're not moving, only the board is. It's only doing the front shove motion. It's important to keep the board flat when doing this practice step. This will prevent you from landing primo or having the board flip when you start landing pop shove-its, frontside pop shove-its. Play around with the foot position, the downwards pop, and the forward nudge of the back foot until your board is consistently staying flat and doing the full frontside 180 rotation. The next practice step requires both of your feet to be on the board, positioned as they would be for the frontside pop shove-it. Repeat the back foot motion from the first practice step, but after you've popped with your back foot, you will step off the board. Once you step off the board with the back foot, leave your front foot on the board. Your board will pop, rotate around, and you will land with your front foot on the board and your back foot on the ground. The emphasis of this practice step is to leave your front foot as close to the board as possible as it rotates 180 degrees. The front foot being close to the board will act as a stopper, preventing your board from flipping as it rotates. When the rotation has finished, your front foot will drop down and land on the board. With the back foot pop. With your back foot slightly in the tail's heel side pocket, bend down, then pop your tail straight down. This is the most important step of the frontside pop shove-it. Though the front shove rotates behind you, you should try to pop the tail straight down and push it slightly in front of you. Unlike the backside pop shove-it, where your back foot uses a backward scooping, sliding motion, with the frontside pop shove-it, you need to pop straight down and nudge your back foot forward. With your front foot, it should stay close to the board after you've popped the trick, acting as a point of control. The front foot will guide the board around smoothly and prevent the board from going primo. As the rotation completes, your front foot should make contact with the board, catch it, and bring it down from the landing. Boom. Moving too slowly or not moving at all will make this trick more difficult to land. Attempt the frontside pop shove-it with a little bit or medium amount of speed. With speed, bend your knees, then pop your back foot straight down and nudge it forward. Keep your front foot close to the board, catch it in the air, bring it down, then place your nudging foot back on the board. Bend your knees again upon landing, then roll away clean.
So that, you guys, is how to land your first frontside pop shove. If this helped you, please leave it in the comments. If it helped you, if it didn't, leave what's still happening with the trick and I'll get back to you. Other than that, just subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and keep coming back for more videos.